Tired of missing out on crypto price swings? Let's set up Coinbase alerts so you never miss a beat. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Now, tap the Assets tab at the bottom of your screen. This shows all the cryptocurrencies available on Coinbase. Scroll through the list and select the cryptocurrency you want to track. For this example, let's choose Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin page, look for the bell icon. In the top right corner, tap that bell icon. This brings you to the Create Alert screen. Here, you can choose to be alerted when the price goes above or below a certain value. Let's set an alert for when Bitcoin goes above a certain price. Select above, then enter your desired target price, for example, $75,000. Alternatively, select below and set a price you think is a great entry point to buy or a good point to cut losses, for example, $60,000. Next, you can select how often you want to be notified. The default is every time the price crosses your target. You can also choose once a day or once a week to reduce notifications. Once you set your price and frequency, tap the Create Alert button at the bottom. That's it. Your alert is now active. You can view and manage all your active alerts by going back to the bell icon on the cryptocurrency page. Pro tip: make sure your Coinbase app notifications are enabled in your phone settings to receive your alerts promptly. Now you're set to trade like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe.